a family court judge tell you what you can or can't say to your child about God? That was the subject of a recent Arizona case that is not technically published, but nevertheless is instructive for how the courts think about these things. The case was the marriage of Manuel, and the court had to decide exactly where a parent's religious freedom ends and a child's psychological well-being begins or overrides whatever the parent's religious freedom might be. Originally, these two parents had joint custody, but the father's communication style was over the top. He wasn't just sharing his faith, he was using his religion as a weapon, accusing mom of being evil and immoral, and telling the younger child that the mom's older child got cancer because of the mother's immorality. So dad lost joint custody and mom was given sole custody. Dad said the trial court violated his religious freedoms and brought the case up to the Court of Appeals. So Arizona courts cannot interfere with the religious training that parents give their children generally. But this court was not making a decision based on dad's ideas. The court was making a decision based on dad's behavior and the specific outcome of that behavior on this particular child. Regardless of whether or not dad believes that mom is evil or immoral, his telling his child that is having real, actual negative impacts, and the court has found here that dad is out of chances, and that if he doesn't stop or change his behavior, his parenting time may be limited to supervised parenting time. Generally speaking, the best interest of the child and the impact on the child is more important than a parent's constitutional right, which is an always and often debate that is held between us family law attorneys.